Hi students, welcome to your class. I hope all are fine. Good. I am also fine. Are you ready? Let us start our class. Okay. Today we are going to study our sixth chapter, number fun. Chapter name, number fun. Then, can you say what we learned in the previous chapter? Which is our previous chapter? Yes, numbers 10 to 99. Did you study the numbers and number name? Okay. Did you finish all the work? Good. Then now we want to start our next chapter, number 1. Then all of you take your textbook, page number 137. Chapter 6, number 1, page number 137. Okay, then listen. Help Tony and Tia fly higher and higher by writing each pair of numbers according to the sign in the middle. Here, there are some numbers. We want to put a sign. Okay. Then, can you see this page? Okay. Here there are some numbers. We want to help Tony and Tia fly higher and higher by writing each pair of numbers according to the sign in the middle. എവിടെയാണെന്ത് ടോണി ടിയായും എന്ത് ചെയ്യാം അവര് കൂടുതൽ ഉയരത്തിലേക്ക് പറക്കണം. എങ്ങനെയാണ് നമുക്ക് എന്ത് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും? We can help them to put numbers according to this sign. Here there are some signs. Okay. You know which are the sign or symbols we learned in previous classes? Did you forget? Then say which are the symbols? Yes. Which symbol is this? Yes. Less than, then greater than, and then equal to. These three symbols we learned. Okay. Then we want to put the number according to this symbol. Okay, or sign. Then first number 12 and 21. 12 and 21. These are few numbers given in your textbook. Then we want to write here the number once again. Okay. Then symbol is greater than. 12 and 21. Okay, which symbol is this? Yes, greater than. Then numbers are 12 and 21. Then which number we want to write here? Yes. Say which number is greater, 12 or 21? Yes, 21. Then we want to write 21 here. Why? In order 21 here. 21 is the bigger number. Then symbol is greater than. So you write 21 greater than 12. Okay, understand? 21 greater than 12. Then next number 45 and 36. 45 and 36. Here also, which sign? Yes, greater than. Then which number is greater? 45 or 31? Say, which number is greater? 45 or 31? Yes, 45. Then you write 45 in first circle and 31 in next. Okay. Then read 45 is greater than 30. Okay. Then next question. 18 and 20. 18 and 20. That you write it here. Okay. Then say 18 and 28. Which number is greater? Yes. 18 or 28? 20. Then you write 28 in first circle and then 80 in the other circle. Okay. Then read 28 is greater than 18. Okay. 28 is greater than 18. Then next question, 42 and 24. 42 and 24. Then write which number is bigger or greater, 42 or 24? Yes, 42. Then 42 greater than 22. That means 24 and not greater than 42. Okay. Then next question, 25 and 23. Then 47 and 37. 40 and 50. 35 and 25. That you do after the class yourself. Okay. Finish it. Okay. Simple അനുസരിച്ച് നിങ്ങൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യാം, നമ്പർ അറേഞ്ച് ചെയ്തെഴുതുക കേട്ടോ. Then next page, ascending order. Ascending order. Can you remember what is ascending order? Previous chapter we പഠിച്ചതാണ്. What is ascending order? Yes, ascending order means small number to big number. So once again, small number to big number. Go up to space in this rocket by rearranging the numbers in ascending order. That means from small number to big. One has been done. One question ഇവിടെ എഴുതിയിട്ടുണ്ട്, ബാക്കിയുള്ള നമുക്ക് fill ചെയ്യാം. Okay. First number 21, 32, 43. എന്താണ് ഇത്? റോക്കറ്റ് അല്ലേ? റോക്കറ്റ് എങ്ങോട്ടാ പോകുന്നത്? മുകളിലേക്കോ? Okay. Then we want to help the rocket by go up to space. റോക്കറ്റിന് സ്പേസിലേക്ക് പോകാൻ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? ഹെൽപ്പ് ചെയ്യണം. ഏത് ഓർഡറിലാണ് എഴുതേണ്ടത്? Yes, ascending order. Okay. First question, 21, 32 and 43. Here, okay, all of you listen. Question 21, 32 and 42. Okay, ഇവിടെ ലൈൻ കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട് കേട്ടോ. ഇതിന്റെ ഓർഡറിലായിരിക്കും എഴുതുന്നത് അല്ലേ? അസെൻഡിംഗ് ഓർഡർ നമ്മൾ സ്മോൾ നമ്പർ ഫസ്റ്റ് എഴുതുക, പിന്നെ ബിഗ് നമ്പറിലേക്ക് പോകും. Let's say which is the smallest number? 21, 32 and 43. Which is the smallest number? Yes, 21. Then you write first 21 here, not here. Okay, ഇവിടെ വേണം എഴുതാൻ. Then you write 21 here, then next number 32, then 42. Okay, this is the ascending order. Then next one, question 35, 19 and 22. 35, 19 and 22. Here also the other one. Okay. Then you want to find which is the smallest number. Which is the smallest number? 35, 19 and 22. Yes, 19. And you write 19 here. Okay. 19 is there, right? 19. Then next number? Yes, 23. Then last 30. Okay. Then next one. Question 45, 50 and 21. 45, 50 and 21. Then say, read like this. Then question 45, 50 and 21. Then which number? You want to write first or which is the smallest number? Yes, 21. Isn't it? 21 is the smallest number, so you write 21 first. Then next number. Which number comes after 50 or 45? Yes, 45. Then next. Okay. Then other two questions you can write it after the class. Okay, did you understand? You understand later. Then you write these two questions after the class. Okay. Then next one, descend to the earth in this balloon by rearranging the numbers in descending order from big number to small number. Ascending order, small number to big number is the. Now we want to write in descending order. That means big number to small number. Then first one has been done there. 21, 32 and 45. Descending order. Descending order means big number to small number. Then which number comes first? Which is the biggest number? Yes. 45 is the biggest number. The next number 32 and then 20. Okay. That has been done there. Then next one 9, 4 and 21. 9, 4 and 21. Then arranging descending order. Which number comes first? Or which is the biggest number? Yes, 21. You write it first 21. Then next one. Is it 9 or 4? Which number comes? Yes, 9. Then last 4. Okay. Then next question. 36, 38 and 49. 36, 38 and 49. Next side. Which number is the biggest? 49. Then you write 49 first. Then 38. Then 36. Okay. Do you understand? Do you understand? Can you see? Yes. ഇവിടെ എഴുതുന്നുണ്ടല്ലേ ഇതേപോലെ തന്നെ ഇവിടെ എഴുതണ്ടല്ലോ ഈ 3 കോളത്തിൽ. Okay. Then other two questions you can write it after the class. Okay. Descending order എഴുതാം കേട്ടോ. Then next one, smallest number. Write the smallest number in the center of each flower. One has been done. Listen. Here there are some numbers. We want to find which is the smallest number. And then you write that smallest number in the circle. Then read first one. 45, 26, 80 and 23. 45, 26, 80 and 23. Which is the smallest number? Yes, 18. Then you write 18. This one is here. The next question, 36, 25, 75 and 92. Read once again, 36, 25, 75 and 92. Then find which is the smallest number. Which is the smallest number? Yes, 25. Then you write 25 in this circle. Okay, 25. Then next one 43, 94, 84 and 81. Read once again 43, 97, 84 and 81. Which is the smallest number? Yes, 43. Then you write 43 here. The last one 82, 95, 23 and 97. Read once again. 82, 95, 23 and 97. Which is the smallest number? Yes, 23. 23 is the smallest number. Then you write 23 in this circle. Okay. Then next largest number. Write the largest number in the circle in each tree. Here we want to write the largest number. 23, 92 and 61. Which is the largest number? Yes, 92. Okay. Then next 76, 34 and 20. 76, 34 and 20. Which is the largest number? Yes, 76. Then you write 76 in this circle. Then next one 99, 29. 99 and 29. Which is the largest number? Yes, 29. Then you write 29 here. Then last one 55, 63, 82. 55, 64, 82. Which is the largest? 82. Then you write 82 here. Okay. Did you finish? Then next we want to write before and after. First after before, after and between. Write the numbers that comes just before. Then say number is 46. Then which number comes before 46? 45. Okay. Then you write 45 here. That has been done here. Then next one 55. Which number comes? 55. Yes, 54. Then next before 50. 49. Then before 93. 92. Then before 95, 94. Okay. Before 55, 54. The next step before 50, 49, then before 93, 92, then last step before 95, 94. Writing over? Then next write the number that comes just after. The next just after number. You want to write it after number. First one 91. After 91, 92. Then next 70. After 17. Yes, 71. Next 23. After 23. Yes, 24. Then 36. After 36. 37. The last one 50. After 50, 50. Getting over? Then what do you write? Then last write the number that comes between. The number comes in between. Given number 46 and 48. 46 and 48. Which number comes in between 46 and 48? Yes, 47. The next question 54 and 56. 54 and 56. Which number comes? Yes, after 54, 55. The next one, 69 and 71. Say, which number comes in between 69 and 71? Yes, 70. Then next 29 and 30. And say, yes, after 29, 30. Numbers complementary. Okay. Then 42 and 44. Yes, 40. Finish? Okay. That is all about this chapter. Then, now we want to wind up our class. Then can you say what we learned today? Yes. Today we learned to put a sign, then ascending order, descending order, smallest number and largest number. Did you understand well? Then all of you write it. The order given in your textbook and study well. Okay. Then let's see next class. Thank you.